Hi everyone, how are you? Learn now how to delete your YouTube history. Go to the search bar to find your history. To delete a search history, choose an option and swipe to the left. Finally, press delete. By doing this, you can delete a search individually. Guys, if you use an Android phone, the option to delete is a little different. Instead of swiping to the left, you will press and hold on the search. Finally, click Remove. Now, I will show you how to delete your entire history all at once. The step-by-step is the same, both for iPhone and Android. So now go to your profile. Go to the settings icon. Finally, click Manage All History. And here, you will find all your search history and watched videos. Here, you can also delete a search individually. To clear the entire history, press Delete. You can delete your history for the day, choose a specific period, and clear the entire history. Press Delete all time. If you are sure you want to delete all your search history and watched videos, press Delete. That's it, everyone. The history has been deleted. Leave a like, subscribe, and activate the bell. See you in the next video.